Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by isolating the source, panel, cable, or graphics system. First, power off, unplug the video cable and reseat it, or swap to a known good cable and port. Once done, connect an external display to see if flicker follows the GPU. Next, boot into safe mode and temporarily disable any third-party display or overlay apps. This prevents software from masking hardware faults. While running safe mode, you'll also prepare to update or roll back the display driver in the next step. Now you handle drivers and software, the most common culprits. Use Device Manager or the GPU vendor installer to update drivers. If the problem started after an update, roll back to the previous driver version. Then, open Display Settings and confirm the recommended refresh rate. Make sure it matches the panel, not 16:9 scaling confusion. Disable hardware acceleration in browsers and heavy apps to test whether rendering is causing the flicker. If the issue began after a Windows update, consider uninstalling that update as a diagnostic. Finish with focused hardware diagnostics and a recovery plan. Inspect connectors and cable pins for damage and try a different cable or adapter. If available, test the panel with another computer or test your GPU in a spare system. Check power delivery. Flicker can come from intermittent voltage to the display. If you still have flicker, back up your data and note exact symptoms, timings, and steps tried, then contact repair or use warranty service. One tip: if replacements don't fix it, consider inverter or panel replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.